morning, guys. It's April 20th, 2018. This one here, I got a call from a guy. He said the circulator is making noise when he runs at domestic water, which doesn't make sense, but I'm going over there now. That's what he said. His circulator from his heating system makes noise when he runs his domestic water. So, we'll have to go see what he's talking about. I'm on my way there now. Hello. Hello. Wow. It's the hot water. It might be, Oh, it's making a racket, huh?
Yeah, I don't know if it's Burlington here or...
Well, that thing is really making a noise. Unless it's just airbound. You're getting hot water, everything else?
Yep.
I don't even know what kind. That's a 0010 or something. Get my light. And the feeder stuck. See? Feeder was stuck.
Okay.
So since I shut this off, it stopped making the noise. So it's just air. It's air in there.
Okay.
So we'll have to purge it. You got a pit down here I could drain into?
How much you got to drain?
I'm gonna drain some. Yeah, that thing wasn't even feeding. Pressure's down to nothing there. See it?
Yeah.
The relief valve been blowing at all?
I don't know. Tell me what the relief valve is.
I don't see no water, but there was no water in the boiler, so that ain't good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna purge all the zones out,
yep.
And then we'll run it and we'll see if it builds up pressure. But we lost the pressure somehow, somewhere.
Yeah.
So I gotta drain a hose into a pit. Do you have a pit somewhere or a sub pump?
Yeah, I do. I got a sub pump too.
Where is it? Where's a sub pump?
Sub pump is all the way down the other end of the building.
All right, so I'll have to get some hoses and drain.
Well, right here maybe.
Yeah. Can I drain into there?
Yeah, I guess so.
All right, let me get my hoses and my tools, and I'll be right back in.
I got a hose here. I mean, one of these.
That green one there, as long as it's
This will reach.
No, it's the wrong end. See, that's got all kinks in it and stuff. Let me get my hose.
Okay.
You haven't heard no air in the lines upstairs in the baseboard? No?
No.
We'll do them all, but definitely what it was.
Sounds like it there, though.
Yeah, it definitely had air in it. And that's just for the hot water. But it definitely was,
Why would that thing stick?
well, they do. They get stuff in there, and
Okay.
but for some reason you lost pressure, and it should automatically feed, and it wasn't. So this tank might be bad. We'll find out.
Would that be for not using it for a while?
You ever hear that saying, shit happens? I mean, the thing just gets stuck. It's just how it is. I run into this a lot, you know.
Yeah.
Usually when I come to check on this, I check it to see if it's feeding, you know. You can lift that little lever up just to see if it's working. The noise went away. It was just airbound. That was odd, huh?
Yeah.
So these two right here, these cast iron, is that cast iron baseboard up there?
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna have to go and bleed them upstairs.
Yeah.
But these other two, the copper and then this, we bled through the zones here. But that's what it was. So we're gonna need to go upstairs. It's running. You can feel it's hot.
Yep.
It was like, what do they call it? Decapitating? That's what they call that. Odd, huh?
It is to me.
So when you said when you run the hot water, it made a weird noise in the circulator. I guess. High vent's leaking and leaking down. See the high vent?
I got who?
The high vent's leaking.
Okay.
So let's see if we can shut this off and stop this.
What was that horrible noise?
Air in the lines.
Really? Is that what it was? Wow.
We're finding a lot of things that need tightening and unloosening and stuff.
Little things, yeah.
Might have to drain it and change this high vent. I mean, let's see if this works. Got a rag?
Yeah.
Where's the rag?
I don't know.
So obviously this wasn't feeding, so it's been leaking out of here,
Yeah.
right? And then lost your pressure. So you got a rag and you want me to get one out the truck?
No, it's
Yeah.
As long as that's not leaking, we're all right.
don't touch it.
Start getting long for this, not long for this world. We'll just tighten up that cap
Oh, the
there.
whole thing?
We'll let it run for a while, see if it builds up pressure, blows the relief.
Does this thing need to come off? This thing on?
No, leave it alone.
Okay.
When it starts leaking on the floor, then we worry about
Then we
it.
get a
Then we'll worry
Okay.
about it. Until then, it's running at 20 pounds, would be all right there. We lost pressure somewhere, because when I came here, there was no pressure in it.
Oh, is that what that?
Yeah, so there was air in this line. I purged out the zone, and now there's no more noise.
Yeah, okay.
That's funny because there's nothing that we did that I can think of.
Nope.
Unless this high vent was leaking out, and then the water wasn't feeding in. Doesn't take much to get an air leak, you know, an air bound. I think we're gonna be good, but let's give it a minute. Nice conversion burner. Who did this? That's not that old, huh?
No, we just converted to gas 2 years ago.
Yeah, not long,
Yeah,
huh?
2 years ago.
Nice boiler. I think we're gonna be all right here. Here, let's